I love you. Napakasito mo. Love na love mo si mami niya.
Introducing the Husky family, starting with Polly, the princess of the family who enjoys eating, napping, and going on adventures. Next up is Kobe, the prince of the family, always chatty, full of energy, a bit possessive, but oh so sweet. Then there's Bella, Polly's daughter, the youngest member of the family, talkative, playful, and absolutely adorable. And let's not forget about Momi and Dottie, the loving for parents who shower Polly, Kobe, and Bella with care and affection.
Halika rito. Ano sabi mo? Wow! Ka na. Sabihin mo na kay mami, I love you! I love you ako ni Kobe, oh. I love you! Wow! Say, I love you kay mami. I love you! Oh, sarap naman yan. I love you! I love you, Mommy. Say, I love you. Wow. Yan, ang sarap-sarap naman yan. Sa pa nga. I love you. Wow. Sarap-sarap naman. Eh, si Polly. Oh, si Polly ayaw salita ng I love you. Polly, I love you si Mommy. I love you. Oh, si Kobe na lang daw mag-I love you, Daddy. I love you mga si Polly, oh. Ninaantok na. Oh, wow. Naman yan eh. Talaga naman. I love you talaga. Oh, kiss na lang kay mami. Kiss mo. Kiss mo lang. Oh, I love you. Oh, naman. I love you very much ba? I love you very much? Wow, naman. Napaka-sweet naman ng baby namin. Ano ba naman yun? Kahit makulit ang baby namin, napakalambing naman niya. Napakalambing na. Dali na. Pasok na. Wow! Oh, sige na.
Thanks for tuning in. To subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and ring that notification bell.